Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma offline. To work offline, you first need to open your Figma files while connected to the internet. Once a file is loaded in your browser, you can continue editing it even if your connection drops. Figma will automatically save your changes to the cloud once you reconnect, ensuring your work is always up to date. Before going offline, make sure to open every Figma file you plan to work on. This preloading step is crucial because Figma needs to fetch the file data from its servers. Once loaded, keep the browser tab or window with Figma active. If you close the tab, you'll lose your offline access to that specific file and will need to reconnect to open it again. When you're working offline, Figma intelligently saves all your edits locally within your browser's cache. This means your progress is safe even without an active internet connection. The moment you reconnect to the internet, Figma automatically begins syncing these local changes to the cloud. This ensures that your work is backed up and accessible from any device, maintaining a consistent version history. For the best offline experience, try to reconnect periodically to ensure your changes are synced. While browser-based offline work is possible, the Figma desktop application often provides a more robust and stable environment for working without a constant internet connection. It handles local caching more efficiently. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.